Good morning, Apollo Eagles. I'm Rafael Coronado. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The movie this Friday in the library is Wreck-It Ralph. There will be popcorn for sale at $1. For an additional 25 cents, the popcorn can have Flaming Hot Shake on added to the popcorn. Now here's some messages from Mr. Ochoa and Mr. Masani.
Good morning, Apollo. As springtime approaches, we are in a different stage of our school year, and public display of affection becomes more evident out there by the hand-holding and other types of public display of affection that occur. But we got to remember where we're at. We're in school, and we know that the liking of one person versus the other happens, and that's natural. But the reality is we are in a school setting, and we need to focus on not displaying that affection. Okay, just be tasteful in who you are as a person. Have respect for your friends and each other. And remember that those kinds of public display of affection are not okay, and we will definitely be talking to you individually when we need to. Okay, so remember, it's in our handbook about public display of affection. So just take a look at it and know that it's something that we need to not see during our school day. Thank you very much.
Good morning, Apollo Eagles. This is a reminder for 8th graders that are interested in joining the Sunnyside Honors Academy. This is the application that you picked up from Mr. Mayorga earlier this year, about a month ago, when we met in the auditorium. These are due to me by Friday, along with your letters of recommendation and any other supporting artifacts that you need for this. I've only gotten one applicant so far, so the more we can have apply to represent Apollo at the high school, the better. So please remember to apply.
If you have misplaced your packets, Mr. Masani has a packet for you, and if he is not in his office, Ila in the next office can help you. Yearbooks are on sale, $25 each, money order only, no cash or checks. That's all we've got, and have a great day.